In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a website on the new Google Sites. You'll know how to access this new Google Sites, how to use basic functions, and then how to make the website public and publish changes that you made to the site as you work on it. Knowing how to use Google Sites can help students and teachers increase their outreach for school organizations, group projects, and beyond. Moreover, designing a website is a great skill to have for future business endeavors and community engagement projects. So when you open up Google, type in here Google Sites. Then press Google Sites Sign In. And if you aren't already logged into your K-12 North Star account, then it's going to prompt you to log in. So when you open up Google Sites, it takes you to the My Sites and K12Northstar.org, so your school account. And it will show you any site that you made on this old Google Sites version. But we want to make a site on the new Google Sites, so we're going to go down here to New Google Sites. And it will take us to sites.google.com/new. And this is what the new Google Sites page looks like. And so I already have created a website on here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So when you're editing a Google site, this is what it looks like. So I've made it so that all my sites are displayed, all my different pages on the site are displayed up here. And then this page, I have text, I have images, I have a YouTube video that I've made, and then I have a feedback form made through Google Forms. So you can add lots of things to the Google site, including table of contents, buttons, dividers, YouTube videos, calendars, maps, docs, slides, sheets, forms, etc. So I'll show you what some of my pages look like. It's one of the pages. It's called Other G Suite Sites, and I accessed it by going to Pages, and then opening up G Suite Applications, then going to Other G Suite Sites. Now when you scroll down, you'll find videos and different things teaching you how to use G Suite apps. So I have videos, I've showed you examples of what I did in the video and put them in here. So this is the editing version of this page. Let's see what the site looks like when a viewer sees it. So when you open up the website, this is what it looks like. Now I'll show you the page that I was just on by going to Computer Tutorials and pressing on G Suite Applications and going down to Other G Suite Apps. And this is what that page looked like when other people will see it. So the Google Sites method for creating websites online is very useful if you do a lot of work through your G Suites, which in the school district we do. Okay, so let's go back to the new Google Sites. And I will show you how to get a new site started. Go down here to the lower right corner, press Create a New Site. And this is what it will look like when you first open the new site. So we can edit title page, change the image from the preloaded gallery images or from something from your albums or something you search on Google or something from your drive. So I'm going to pick one from the gallery. Let's do that. And now if we want to make the site name, we go up here to the top left corner and enter our site name. So now it changes the name of the site. Double click and then you can insert an image, upload a file, upload something from Drive, or embed a video from YouTube. So first I'll show you how to do text, so press text. This is example text. And now you can highlight the text, make it bold, italics, move to the middle, change the type, so title, heading, subheading, small, let's do title. And then you can also link the text, and then you press apply and it's linked to the outside link. Now you can also add a divider, a button. What a button does is links external links. So let's link to, and now you move the button and that's what it looks like. You can also change each of these lines and format it differently. For instance, if we wanted to add an image there, we can select an image and then put a different image behind that text. You can also move each of the things that you insert anything from calendar, maps, go to Google My Maps and then insert one of your maps that you made. You can add a footer and you can change the layout of what each of these sections look like. For instance, let's do this. And now you can add image here, here, and here, and then edit the text. So these are pre-formatted formats. And then if you want to make a new page, all you do is go to Pages, Plus. And now you name that page. Press done. Okay, and this is what a new page looks like when you create it. So if you go to Pages, you can go back to your home, or you can stay on example 2 and then edit just as you would on the home page. by adding text, images, buttons, dividers, etc. So if you want to publish a site or save all your changes to the site, which we're going to call example site, then we go publish. And now we have to make up the web address, so it's going to be sites.google.com/k12northstar.org/ whatever you name the site. So we're just going to keep it example site, and now press publish. So now all the changes that you've made to the site have been saved. Now you have published under that URL. If you ever want to look at the site, you can either type the URL in and then search it up, or just go up here and then view publish site, and it will show you the new site in a page as a viewer would see it. So that's how you use the basic functions in new Google Sites.